Hey, are you looking for top quality traffic to build and grow your affiliate marketing or network marketing business with? And you may not actually know where to look. So here I'm going to show you two different traffic sources. One traffic source is commonly well known, Udemy solo ads, and it's a traffic source that people can go and search for traffic. The second traffic source is a traffic source that you're going to want to know about. It's the highest quality traffic that you could possibly get when it comes to solo ad traffic, and I'm going to share that with you in this video. So stick around till the end of the video, and I'm going to share that with you. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I am a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And so if you're on Udemy solo ads, it's free to create an account. So you would basically go up here and you would go to buy solos, and you want to make sure that 50% are got sales, and then you want to look down here and see the number of sales percentage that people have got, and you want to look at the number of reviews they have as well. So the number of sales, if they're above 50%, it's very good. So you could go down here and you could look at these people, and the number of sales, and then the cost is going to vary between them. But basically, is all you want to do is focus on the number of sales. That's the main thing. And how much it costs is something that you want to look at. And then the reviews that they have for this, right? So Udemy is a good source to use if you're looking for quick traffic and you want paid traffic and you want to see how it actually converts, everything like that. But the problem with Udemy is you're not going to actually get feedback. So if you have an offer that uh, pretty much doesn't do very well, or you have a capture page that isn't really converting, they're not going to tell you that your page isn't very good. They're not going to tell you that the offer doesn't convert well. They're not going to tell you that you need to be checking your domain reputation to make sure your emails aren't going into spam and everything like that, right? Because if you send out emails to everybody on your list and you have people that aren't opening your emails, that could be the reason why you're getting poor results. Because if you keep sending emails out, people aren't opening. It tells the email service provider and Google that people don't want to see your emails, and basically your domain ends up getting blacklisted, which is a bad thing, right? And when it gets blacklisted, you're put on a low IP pool, which means every time you send out an email, your emails are going to land in spam, right? So if you come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com, this is actually my traffic store, and I help people to actually get high quality traffic to their offers. And what makes me different than most other people is I like to make sure people are set up right when they go and run traffic, because I like to see people get results. Because if people get results with me, that means they have good feedback for me, which means people talk about me, and I want people to say good things about me when they go and they buy traffic from me, right? So what I like to make sure is that your targeted traffic is targeted to the offers that you're promoting, and I like to make sure that your capture page and your sales copy are congruent with the offer, and most importantly that the traffic source that you're getting traffic from, which would be here, aligns with whatever you have and is very high quality, right? And they really want what you have to offer, right? So, when you come to me, you're going to get, traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get a mix of different traffic. It's high quality traffic that I've tested and filtered through to my list, and I basically keep the highest converting leads that come onto my list, and those are the people that are filtered out. So whenever leads come onto your list, you always want to be tagging by openers and clickers to know who's the most highest engaged people. So pretty much if you have different traffic sources that you're getting traffic from, the only way that you're going to know that they're high converting is if they open. So if you're not tagging your leads when they come through, then you are wasting the autoresponder message. And so typically I always tell people only to have a couple autoresponder messages, and the goal of an autoresponder message is not to make things easy for you to where it's easy and you could be lazy with email marketing. It's actually to help you to understand who's the most engaged people when they first come through your funnel on day 1 to whatever day 5 or whatever it is. And you want to put a date in between each email. And so whoever opens like those 5 series of emails, those are your most engaged people. So from there, you can filter them out. And then you have your broadcasts, which are your one-time emails that go out to your entire list. And when you broadcast, you want to broadcast to people who have opened those emails. So that's pretty much a filtering method that I would use if you're doing solo ad traffic. And you want to make sure your domain reputation is high as well. And if you don't know how to do that, that's fine. When you order traffic from me, you pretty much get a strategy call. In the strategy call, we help you with all that stuff. I go over how to get your traffic as high as 85% opt-in rate. I show you how to get the best results possible. I show you why your pages aren't converting the way they should and how you can improve them. And I also show you how you could actually ensure that your emails will always land in the inbox and not land in spam, right? So a lot of people's problems are their emails are landing in spam. So if your emails are landing in the spam or promotions folder, half your traffic isn't seeing it because you're just sending out emails blindly. So, when you order from me, you actually get the call with me, and the call itself is worth the package alone. So how this actually works is step 1, you select a traffic package right here. Step 2, we do a campaign review, and if you order 500 clicks or more, you actually get a bonus and guaranteed over delivery of 15% over delivery. So that's if you get 500 clicks or more. And then step 3, we do a strategy call, and after the strategy call, that's when we run the traffic. So you want to book the strategy call with me after you book your traffic package. And here's some of the results that I had right here. Here's one guy. He actually came to me. He got 200 clicks. His name is Richard. He's a very well-known YouTube marketer. You could look him up. His name is Richard Hairston. He got a lot of YouTube videos. He got 200 clicks. He got 240, and then he got a 90% opt-in rate in 3 sales from 200 clicks. And I have plenty of other testimonials right here, so you could take a look at these for yourself if you're on this page. And then here's 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1. Your tier 1 is always going to be important. The higher the tier, the better the quality. So 100% tier 1 is always going to be the best quality traffic that you could possibly get. And then here's some of the questions that people ask. So if you have any questions, concerns, or comments, check down here to see if your questions were answered down here. Here's my guarantee to you. My guarantee to you is you get 100% real traffic. No bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. And one thing that I can tell you is once you make a traffic purchase from me, the traffic order is final. I just want you to know that because it is paid traffic, so I can't offer refunds. But what I can do is I can compensate you in traffic or help you if you have any issues with your order. I will make sure you get exactly what you ordered. All you got to do is reach out to me. You could reach out to me right here, or you could reach out to me on Facebook. My Facebook page is Gio Ambrose Gianta, and I have a silver jacket on at the moment of this video and a blue banner. I have 7,200 followers, I believe, and almost 5,000 friends. So make sure that you add the right page because there are some fake pages going around. I just want to make sure that you're able to get the best results possible when you order traffic from me. So, make sure you place your order so that way I can actually talk to you and have the coaching call with you face to face, and that's included with your order. So, if you want to go and place your order, you could click on the link to the store below this video. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you have questions, concerns, or comments, leave them below this video and I will address every question, concern, or comment that you have. Just make sure you leave your question below so that way you can get help and assistance with it. Also, get into my free Facebook group. There's going to be a link in the description for that as well. All right, so I hope this video helps, and good luck on your traffic journey and building your business online. I look forward to helping you build and grow your business, and I'm so excited for you in the future, and let's make it happen.